Hi there, it's Iron Man. We're here to investigate the physical principles involved in the operation of common electrical household appliances. We're also going to see and figure out the wattages in the appliances and how to conserve energy. Let's take a tour of the house, maybe run into some people, and have some fun.
Hello, it's Mrs. Top Hat. I'm right here with our microwave. And let's take a look inside. Look around at all that. Basically, our microwave oven is about 750 to 1100 watts. Oh, look at that. Very fancy, huh? Well, let's go on to the next appliance. Why don't we? Oh, hey, didn't even see you there. You want to know how much wattage this little guy has? It has about 1200 to 1875 wattage. And you know what some appliances do? They draw a small amount of power when they're switched off. These phantom loads occur in most appliances that use electricity, even this one. You know what you can do to solve that problem? Just unplug your device and make sure, or use a power strip and turn that off. Just a tip from LaFawn. Thanks.
So turn around, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now make that booty go.
Hey, it's Alfred E. Newman. You know, mad, right? Anyway, just demonstrating the power of that stereo right there. That's about 30 to 100 watts. And this fan above my head right here swinging around is about 200. And if we plug that into an equation, 200 watts times 4 hours per day times 100 days per year divided by 1,000, it'll end up equaling 96 kilowatts per hour times 8.5 cents kilowatts per hour. It'll end up equaling $8.16 a year. Now I know that might not sound like a lot, but in the end it is, because it's just one little thing running. So, yeah. But, side note, did you know that the average American produces about 40,000 pounds of CO2 emission per year? Just letting you know. Gonna come hit you up with a couple of tips in a second. Hold on. Alright, so a couple tips from Alfred E. Newman. Basically, you're going to want to buy more energy efficient compact fluorescent bulbs for your most used lights. Although they cost more initially, they save money in the long run. Another thing you can do is turn your refrigerator down. Refrigerators account for about 20% of the household electricity use. Use a thermometer, set your refrigerator temperature as close to 37 degrees and your freezer as close to 3 degrees as possible. Hey, well, let's go move on to the next appliances.
Ugh! It's so hard to type.
Oh, hey you guys, it's the Hulk. You know me. Ooh. Luckily, this laptop only has 50 watts per hour. But unfortunately, it takes me a lot longer than an hour to type an essay on this. Especially for Mr. Archibald.
I'm Monkey. Sorry about Hulk. He is not in a good mood. I'm just here at the computer, which consists of the monitor and the CPU, the central processing unit. The CPU has 120 watts when awake and 30 or less when asleep. And the monitor, 150 when awake and 30 or less when asleep. Just wanted to let you know. Let's move on to the next appliance. Bye.
Hey there, it's Pumpkinhead. I'm just here with this Xbox, which has 9.6 amps and 12 volts. To find the wattage in this appliance per hour, my head got a little loose. You multiply 12 volts times 9.6 amps, which ends up equaling about 115 watts per hour. Let's go on to the TV. Hi there again. This is Pumpkinhead with the TV right here. Uses about 100 to 240 volts. Multiplying that by 4.5 amps, it'll end up equaling as much as 1,080 watts all the way to 450 watts. Oh, and another handy hint. Whenever you're leaving the house, leaving a room, make sure you turn out all the lights, appliances, and unplug any devices that you can, because that does save electricity and will save you money. Thanks for listening to Pumpkin.
Ahoy! The seas be a-turning.
Oh, ahoy there, mateys. I'm just here with this lovely fridge of mine, and it has about 725 watts or so. And you know what is good to do? You must defrost your refrigerators and freezers before ice buildup becomes 1/4 of an inch thick. Now I'm going to go search for the whales again. Tally-ho!
Oh, hey, didn't even see you there. It's Bob the Builder. I'm here with this 60-watt bulb and this lamp and my cat. Have you ever heard of the law of physics called conservation of energy? This means that matter can neither be created nor destroyed, only transferred from one form to another. Pretty interesting, huh? Let's go look at a couple other appliances. Clothes washers use 350 to 500 watts. Clothes dryers use 1800 to 5000 watts. Did you know that you can use a clamp-on ammeter, an electrician's tool that clamps around one of the two wires on the appliance to measure the current flowing through it? Just a handy, helpful hint from Bob the Builder. Thanks for watching. Hey there, Iron Man again. Hope you had a good tour of the house and learned a couple of things. Just remember, the SI unit of power is watt, which is equal to 1 joule per second. And the daily kilowatt-hour consumption equals wattage times hours used per day divided by 1,000. And 1 kilowatt equals 1,000 watts. And also, when you're smart with your conservation, your appliances thank you. Thanks!